A celebratory assembly was held to commemorate our very own Lady Hornets as the Michigan Class 5 women's basketball state champions. The assembly brought together our entire student body to witness a proclamation by the city of North Kansas City.
Now, therefore, I, Don Stilo, Mayor of the City of North Kansas City, do hereby recognize the North Kansas City Lady Hornets basketball team for achieving victory in the state championship game. Congratulations.
The assembly also included a very special lineup, recognizing the players, managers, and coaches who made this season magical.
Freshman number 24, Ariana Rogers. Sophomore number 1, Jemiah Powell-Smith.
A highlight video of the season was played. A word from the team captains.
Everybody who's been supporting us for not only this season, but all 4 years. It means so much to us. I know it means a lot to me. I know it means a lot to everybody else too. But yeah, I'm also grateful to be a part of North Kansas City and have you guys come out and support us every night because it just means the world to us.
A speech from the head coach Lacey.
To me over the break, asking if it's all settled in yet. Now that it's starting to settle in that we are the state champion basketball team, so that's pretty cool. The other thing that I'm more proud of with my team and a lot of you guys, they kind of alluded to it earlier, but the team GPA at 3.49, that's incredible for a basketball team. It's something I'm extremely proud of. And then also winning the NAIA, the Team of Character Award for Kansas City. That's a high prestigious honor to be able to get that. Just kind of shows how, the character of our kids on and off the floors.
And finally, the hilarious jokes from our very own Jimmy Maloney. Stay Northtown true.
On March 16th, the girls team went sicko mode on Jeff City.